Have your legs started to feel weaker than they used to? Do you find it harder to stand up, climb stairs, or walk without feeling tired? If you're over 50, this video could surprise you, because many seniors are discovering that one simple spoon before bed, combined with a gentle night routine, can help support leg strength, circulation, and mobility naturally. And no, this isn't a miracle cure. It's a science-backed habit that supports the aging body while you sleep. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to take, why it works, and how to make it part of a safe nightly routine. As we age, our legs often lose strength first. Muscle mass slowly declines, blood flow becomes less efficient, and recovery takes longer, especially after age 55 or 60. Doctors agree that nighttime nutrition plays a bigger role than most seniors realize. What you give your body before bed affects muscle repair, circulation, and nerve health overnight. Today, we'll share the one spoon many seniors use before bed, why it supports leg strength, a simple night routine to enhance results, and who should not use it. This is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor, but these tips are widely recommended by nutrition and aging experts. Why leg strength declines with age. After 50, the body naturally produces less muscle-building protein. This leads to weak legs, poor balance, slower walking, higher fall risk. At night, your body enters its repair mode. Muscles rebuild, inflammation calms, and circulation resets, but only if your body has the right nutrients. That's why what you take before bed matters more than what you eat during the day. The one spoon nighttime support. The spoon many seniors use is extra virgin olive oil. Just 1 tablespoon taken 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Why olive oil? Supports blood flow to the legs, reduces nighttime inflammation, helps muscles recover while you sleep, supports nerve function and joint comfort. Olive oil contains healthy fats and antioxidants that help aging muscles respond better to rest. Many seniors say their legs feel less stiff in the morning, more stable when standing, stronger during daily walking. How to take it safely. Here's the safe way to use it. Use extra virgin olive oil only. 1 tablespoon, not more. Take it plain or mixed with warm water, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Do not take more than 1 spoon. Use if your doctor has restricted fats. Combine with heavy late-night meals. Consistency matters more than quantity. The night routine that boosts results. The spoon works best when paired with a gentle routine. Step 1. Light leg movement, 5 minutes. Slow ankle circles, gentle calf stretches, seated leg lifts. This wakes up circulation before sleep. Step 2. Warmth. Warm socks, light blanket on legs. Warm muscles absorb nutrients better. Step 3. Deep breathing. 5 slow breaths. Inhale through nose, exhale slowly. This signals your body it's time to repair. What results to expect? This is not instant. Most seniors notice week 1 to 2, less stiffness. Week 3 to 4, better balance. Month 2, improved leg endurance. Feeling 20 again doesn't mean running marathons. It means confidence, stability, and independence. Who should avoid? Avoid or ask your doctor if you have gallbladder issues, are on strict low-fat diets, have digestive problems with oils. Always personalize your health routine. Your legs carry you through life. They deserve gentle care, not harsh treatments. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for senior health tips, comment your age and where you're watching from. Thank you for spending this time with us. Sleep well, move gently, and take care of your body.